Now, after I've done my hair, I apply lipstick. Even if I don't use whole makeup on my face every single day, I do tend to use lipstick or lip gloss or lip balm every single day. So these are one of my favorites. This is lipstick and this is lip gloss. So I do it like this, and I apply firstly lipstick, and then on the top I use lip gloss, like so. Juicy lip gloss. Do you like it? Because I do. It smells nice, it's delicious, it's soft on the lips, it's moisturizing, it stays even when you eat, and it's just fantastic. And then obviously I would apply makeup on all of my face, but every single day obviously I don't wear makeup apart from a lipstick. Lipstick and lip gloss and lip balm I use every single day. Creams I use every single day. Brush I use every single day. And so that's how I get ready. Even when I am at home, I still wear a lip gloss. Thank you very much for watching me and subscribing. Thank you for supporting me and for liking my videos. And I thank you lots for your questions and ideas for my videos. Thank you very much for suggestions, for everything else. Thank you for absolutely everything. Love you lots. Bye bye.